Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so this is the last weekend we had before the event started, so we got to work on probably the Saturday, and we started by pulling the gearbox out to figure out why it wouldn't turn properly as we were pushing the car, and it turns out the rock light you see hanging there was actually sitting between the transfer case universal joint and the transmission itself, so we could roll, you know, forwards, but we couldn't roll backwards or something. Anyway, so after pulling the gearbox out, we worked that out and put the gearbox back in. It was all fine. We did some more trimming and fitted the motor up, and yeah, went from there. We thrashed all weekend and got a good amount of work done.
Can't tighten it up, get a bigger screwdriver.
It's just gone loose.
Don't touch it! Leave it!
That's as much as I'm gonna go with it.
Talk to spec, don't ever take it off again. Got like 1 second of weld. Sweet. Solid mounts, nice. Give us a swing of that shaft there, mate. Oh god! The welding engine mount has failed us. Whatever will we do?
Oh. Do I have to hold it down? Or not? Kind of a fucking new video.
Keep them out of trouble. Oh god.
No, it's going to come back this way.
Yep. What about that? Fish. Bolt slide. Yep. What do you need? Did you check the fault on properly? No. Good. Good here. Right here if you need it.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's
right.
Alright, so we finally got the engine in. Headers are on, steering's in. Engine mounts are welded to the chassis because we didn't have time to fish plate them in. So now we're just chasing around water hoses and stuff. I'm going to put this on next. Luke's down the back there, finishing up the 3-link and also doing the gear selector. Should be done soon, hopefully. Perfect. Getting closer. Closer by the minute. So it's like 1 o'clock now on Sunday. So we want to have the car running today. And then I have to custom fab a power steering pump setup because apparently it hits everything, but we still don't even have the pump for various reasons. So that's probably what I'm going to spend all week doing. It's going to be great. There, fiddly bits. Hook some brothers up. We love your gear.
Sponsor us.
Good for head gaskets and alternator brackets. Don't forget your 3-links. Does it all. Alright, so when the previous suspension failed on Clifford the Blue Hilux, this is the part that let go. So you can see that all of the thread just got pulled straight out of this nut. It was welded into the 3rd link, so the diff was that way, and then the heim joint was just here. And obviously when it worked its way back and forth, eventually the thread just yanked out, and then that allowed the diff to wind up and destroy everything. So yeah, such a simple piece as this was the cause of our failure. But from it, born redemption, of course, in the form of 5 litres of turded up glory with a massive fucking cylinder wall lip. So we'll see how this thing goes. We're getting close, but
Is there a 1/2-inch spanner kicking around somewhere? Oh.
there's one in the engine bay.
Talk to me, Jesse.
We got park. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. 1, 2, 1. 1 extra. Sick. Fucking cool.